getting smarter about designing things for greater resilience, for changing climate, for cyber issues, for whatever the threat or hazard may be. How do we build that in so that in our day-to-day job we're building resilience, we're helping when there's an emergency actually occurs, and then we're more sophisticated and collaborative in how do we recover.
So understanding community and where they are in their recovery journey would help us develop and design sound recovery programs.
Listening and hearing the voices of the people that are controlling assets, operations, logistics, communities, elevating that voice to a level where management, investors can actually make a real change.
I think resilience is about being prepared and ready to respond to something that you don't know. Something that has happened that's put a community or a project or a process or a system a little bit off tilt. It means that the standard way of operation just isn't going to work.
I think when we talk about resilience, it's really important to know that it's actually an evolving concept, and the definition and how we understand it and apply it changes over time. So a few years ago, we used to always talk about resilience as bouncing back after a disaster, and now it kind of implies that like for like, so going back to how we used to be instead of the idea of betterment. So not just bouncing back to how we were, but how we can be better.